Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qawli subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. Respected dignitaries present over here, respected headmaster, teachers and your friends, good morning and assalamu alaikum. It is crystal clear that why we all are gathered today. It was on September 5th, 1962 when first time India celebrated the Teachers' Day. We all know the background. The whole intention behind it was to salute the dedication, the deeds of the teachers. Dear audience, from childhood only we have been listening that teaching profession is a noble profession and teachers are always compared as a potter. Just as a potter shapes the clay as he wishes, in the same way the teacher shapes the students. But in today's changing world, the role and responsibilities of teachers are also changing drastically. Let me clear my point. In olden days, teacher or teaching, it was a restricted concept to only the imparting of knowledge. The students used to remember or make it by heart, appear in exam and try to pass. That much was limited. But later, according to the time, it went on changing. Now in 21st century, the scenario is totally different. Earlier, the students were having only two options in front of them. One was the textbook and another was the teacher himself. There was these two only windows to see the outside world. That's why they respected the teacher much better than today. But now it is changing. Students have different types of sources to gain the knowledge. So they say in hidden words that, sir, we require much more. Textbook, I have this. What you are going to give? So this is a hidden message. Today, students, they expect a teacher in such kind of that he will teach life skills to the students. Problem solving, critical analyzing, in difficult times, decision making. These things are required. The students are expecting these things from us. Further, I would like to add some points. First, we should think that why to change. We saw such kind of environment when we were students. Teacher used to come, stick in a hand, we stand up and sit. This was there. Today, it is different. Totally different. The actual classroom environment is different from the earlier. That's why we need to change. You will say, I'm sorry to say, but in every institution, the head encourages the team and many times the team says, I know better. This is general, universal. But we should change according to the 21st century. Because if we don't change, then we will be changed. Education is a thing which replaces an empty mind with an open one. It should be like that. Then the role of teacher. What is the role? Today the students are having many kind of sources from where they get the knowledge. We will have to only a facilitator. We will have to only guide. Just like a way, the direction is there. If you want to go this city, take this turn. We don't go with the car. Wait, I am coming with you. So this is like today. Students, we are only approaching you, guiding you. We will not follow you or we will not accompany you in your life. We will only guide, and in this way we will make you to make the better future. Next, teacher should know the brain, basic knowledge about brain and its functions. You might be asking, why sir, are you a doctor? No, we are social doctor. Teachers are social doctor. They treat the students in school. They treat the students. If we know the mentality of the students, it will be easier for us in our teaching. For example, I am not going in the class, to show them how much English I know. Today I am going to teach like this. It is not like that. I should know what kind of students are sitting in front of me, what background they possess or they have, what kind of mentality or the level of mentality we should know to enhance or improve our teaching. There are so many points which can be discussed here, but according to the time, I would like to conclude here that there are so many new skills which are required by teacher to adopt in daily routine. Then only the importance of the teacher will automatically grow and the education level can also grow. If we practice it on a daily basis. You might be asking, sir, you do? Do you do? Then I would like to proudly say that Alhamdulillah, many of the life skills I try to implement on a daily basis in every class. We treat students in such a manner that they are not the students, they are only the future seekers. What kind of future they are seeking for? What kind of future they are asking for? So we should be ready for that challenge and as much as possible comfort or provide comfort to the students mentally, physically in the class. That will be beneficial for us. Thank you.